Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami propeller star, ninja star. You can see it has a propeller on it and it looks like a ninja star. And so I'm going to show you how to make this, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it into a ISO area Mohawk. See? And it's ISO area on both sides. Or in other words, the same on both sides. So yeah, isn't that cool? And alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I used a 6-inch square of origami paper, but for this tutorial, I'm going to use a 7-inch square of kami. Okay, so that way I'll get a ninja star like this. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Alright, unfold, and now fold the two sides to the crease. So we're making a door base. Alright, unfold, and now let's repeat that in the other direction. So fold in half. Alright, and now make the door base. Okay, now unfold. So here we have a 4x4 grid. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this point and fold it to the nearest intersection. Like that. And now do that 3 more times. So fold to the nearest intersection. Okay, and now let's fold diagonally in half. So take this edge and fold it to this edge. Or in other words, just fold it in half. And unfold and repeat in this direction. Okay, and now let's make a pinwheel. So we're going to rabbit ear these 4 corners. This is how we're going to do it. So I'm going to do one at a time. So take these 2 raw edges and bring them together. Start folding this triangle in half as we do it. See? So we get something like this, and then this flap sticking up. Just fold it up, flatten it up like this. Crease it sharply, and then flatten it down like this. No, actually, you can flatten it in one direction. Alright, and do that 3 more times. So here we go. Yeah, just flatten it one way. It probably wouldn't hurt if you do it both ways, but yeah. And then now this last one is a little bit harder, but yeah, just flatten it like this. I'm sure you know how to do this. It's just like making a pinwheel. Alright, just like that. So there is our funky looking pinwheel. See, it doesn't look like a normal pinwheel. Alright, so now we're going to turn it into the ninja star. So this is how we're going to do it. So first let's make this cool look right here. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it up in between the center and this point. Like this. Crease sharply, and do that all the way around. So fold in between the middle and that point. And I'll go ahead and fast forward this part. Alright, so that's what it looks like. So there is our propeller. Okay, and now let's turn it into the ninja star. So turn over, and this is how we're going to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to fold it up in between this point and this point right at the end here. So here it goes. Alright, like that. And now rotate like this, 90 degrees, and do the same thing. So we're going to do this 4 times. So fold this up in between that point and that point. Alright, and let's do it again. I'm not going to fast forward this. I'm just going to do it in real time. Alright, now for this last one, just kind of partially unfold this side, and then let's do the fold. Okay, now you can refold that like this. Alright. So yeah, now it's starting to look like a ninja star. So that looks pretty nice like this, but it doesn't completely look like the One Piece ninja star because see these edges right here are showing. So I'm going to show you how to make them like this. I'm going to show you how to eliminate them so it looks more like a ninja star. So you could keep it like this. It's actually kind of cleaner this way. But I'm going to show you how to make it like this, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it into the Mohawk. So what we're going to do is we're going to, oh yeah, turn over. And we're going to take this and we're going to fold it up in between this point right here and this point, like this. Just like that. That's what it looks like. Alright, now do that 3 more times. So fold up in between here and there. And I'll go ahead and fast forward this part. Alright. And there is the ninja star. So that's a nice clean ninja star right there. And this model, by the way, it doesn't fly very well. I tried flying it and it just doesn't fly well because it's got all these flaps. So yeah. So this is just like a display ninja star. But yeah, it's pretty cool though. Alright, now you want to turn it into the Mohawk now. Alright, let's see how to do that. So to do that, what we're going to do is see on this side, keep it on the side, and see there's a crease right here, a short crease right here, and a short crease right here. So we're going to make those mountains. So just kind of just pinch them like that. And same on this one. Okay, now this is kind of tricky, not too bad though. But we're gonna kind of fold this so that this crease right here aligns with this edge right there. See, just like this. So make it align with that edge, like this, and then same on this side. Okay, and now keep it like that, and now we're just gonna fold it in half. So we're folding in half on that crease right there. Yep, and just flatten it however it flattens. Like this. It doesn't matter what it looks like on the inside. It'll just pretty much flatten easily, like this. And just flatten it firmly against the table like this. And once did that, here is our ISO area Mohawk. See? I love how it's ISO area. That's the cool thing about it. Yep, and it's a funny looking Mohawk. So yeah. Yeah, it's very easy to transform too. All you have to do is just fold in half on those creases. See? There's the ninja star. And now it's a Mohawk. And actually, let's see if it can be a spinner. I'm just now discovering this. Maybe I'll just make a point right there. Let's see if it actually spins. Oh yeah, it spins a little bit. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.